Hello everyone, this is Ashar Ali. In the previous session, we explained that how a robot can traverse this path, and we coded these using defining different functions, as I explained and I showed here. And we defined a new challenge on top of this challenge that we wanted to actually this robot, instead of going left, right, we want to go top down, and as I explained and I showed here, we want the robot follow this path with the minimum modification in this code that we have here. So let's see how we can do that. First of all, when the robot starts to when we restart this interface, always the robot is located in the position 1 and 1, and its face is towards right. So if we want to robot to start going up for the first time, we need to turn its face to up by doing turn left. So it means that now if you look at the robot, its face is toward up. Then the rest should be very similar, but when the robot reaches to top here in the first column, then the robot shouldn't actually turn left. The robot should turn right, because then you want to come down, and whenever it reaches the wall on the building, the wall in the bottom, it needs to turn left. So basically, these two we should swap them, and this should be turned right, and this should be turned left. So just saying it one more time. If the robot starts from here in the row 0, in the column 0, we know that 0 is a even number, right? So when it is even number and it reaches to the wall, we shouldn't turn left, we should turn right, because if the robot is here and its face is up, if you turn left, you hit this wall here and it will fail. So we need to turn right, actually. And then when the robot reaches to this wall at the bottom, we shouldn't actually turn left. If we shouldn't turn right, because if we turn right, we end up here again. We don't want to end up here. We want to continue this path and then go down, then go up, and so on. So that's why I swapped these two code. And maybe for sake of readability, so let's call this call stands for column, and call this row. These are just some names, but if you guys want to read it, I don't want to confuse the row and column. So at least it's more intuitional right now, because right now we're traversing based on calls, but in this example, we're traversing based on row. So that's why maybe it's better to change the names as well. And let me double check. Yeah, it seems everything is correct. Let me run it and see if it works. So I expect it goes all the way up and turn right here. Yep, and go down. Another turn right and go all the way down. And turn left, go up. Keep doing the same thing. Give it a few more seconds to reach the end. And till it get to the end, I just want to introduce you for the next actually challenge. So I want you to think about this, that if the robot is here, I want this robot follow this spiral path and just finish here in the row 6, column 6. So think that how you can program it based on these challenges that I solve. This is very similar, and this is very simple if you just understood and look back to these 3 challenges that I solved. You can easily solve this yourself. And I solve it myself next session as well. And last column. Great, we reached to the end and we follow our path here. So that's it for today. If you have any question or comment, please leave it down below and stay tuned for next sessions. Have a great day, everyone.